How to fix checkout not working in Squarespace. Watching potential customers add items to their carts only to have your Squarespace checkout page freeze, spin endlessly, or throw a critical error block is incredibly frustrating. A broken checkout means your e-commerce engine is dead in the water. Today, we are opening your Squarespace backend to diagnose processor failures, fix shipping and dead ends, and get your payment back on track. Let's check your payments pipeline first. So the absolute most common reason for an unexpected checkout failure is a stale API token handshake between Squarespace and your payment processor. So log into your Squarespace site dashboard here, then go to your websites, of course. After that, you go to commerce. So you just open up your settings, you go to selling, and then you go to payments. Okay, and if you see Stripe or PayPal already connected but throwing errors, do not guess at the fix. Click disconnect, refresh the browser tab page, and click connect, and then re-authenticate. And now also if your payment links are green, but the checkout fails exactly when a user inputs their address, the issue lies in your fulfillment parameters. So if a buyer tries to purchase an item but their address falls outside your manually configured shipping boundaries, Squarespace completely blocks the transaction line. So guys, go back into your main panel and go to shipping. So once again, it's from selling and then shipping. And in here, guys, if you only see localized shipping options, click add shipping zone or shipping option right over here. Select the broader regional or international countries you want to serve and hit save. So choose the kind of rate and then save it. And finally, open your billing panel. If your store scaled and your plan downgraded, or if your card is expired, Squarespace silently turns off checkout functionalities. So just go ahead and renew your subscription or go ahead and pick a plan. And this is how you flush your payment connections and reset and make sure that everything works. If this guide helps you out, like and subscribe.